What's up, everyone? Join me today, quarantine cooking with Cooper. We're gonna be making some fried eggs and peppers. First off, let's get our ingredients. So first we have spinach, and then peppers. I just used what was in my fridge. So really just use whatever kind of vegetables you want. Also Greek yogurt and a lemon. And we have parsley, spices, pepper, balsamic vinegar, olive oil, salt, and some eggs. And some Parmesan cheese. Then you can get your skillet ready and set that on the stove now if you want. Then also grab your spatula as well. Okay, now we're going to get to chopping up the peppers. So you can use whatever knife. I just used the small knife, but you can use like a big one too if you want. Then you're gonna start slicing the peppers. First the yellow, then the red, and then the green. Then we're going to slice the tomato as well, and then dice them. And now all of our vegetables are ready. Next, we're going to add some olive oil into the pan. Also remember to turn on the stove, and then we're going to add in the peppers and tomatoes. Now stir the vegetables around a little. Then we're going to add the spices, the parsley, and the pepper. Just kind of throw all of that in there, however much you want. I like it kind of spicy. Then also pour in the balsamic vinegar. Next, stir that around a little bit. Then drizzle a little bit of lemon. Next, grab the lid, set that on top, and let it simmer. And I forgot the salt. Can't forget that. But make sure that it's turned to the correct nozzle so you don't end up throwing all of the salt on top. Next, give it a little stir and put the lid back on. Alright, it's looking good. We're going to add the Greek yogurt now. Stir that in. It looks a little weird right now, but trust me, it actually tastes very good. And we're gonna toss in the spinach. Drizzle of lemon. Again, if you'd like, stir that all together, and it's looking good. Next, crack 2 eggs into the mixture. I broke one of them, try not to do that. And then you can add more spices if you want, as I did. A little more vinegar, and some Parmesan cheese on top. Okay, put the lid back on to let it simmer for a little bit. While you're waiting, grab your plate, grab your fork, get that ready. Okay, time to check, and I think it's looking good. Check the yolk, see if that's good. And we are done. All right, enjoy, guys. Thanks for hanging out and cooking with me. I hear you've been working very hard on your own recipes, so I'm very excited to see those. See you later.